Welcome. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a group here in Zoho People. Alright, so first up, go log into your admin account. Now go to the bottom left and click on Operations. Right here, just click on it. Now go ahead and click on Employee Information. As you can see here, we have this tab. So go ahead and click on Groups, like so. Now go ahead and add in your first group. Alright, go ahead and give it a name. For example, Group 1. Just for example. Go ahead and add in a description if you want to. I'm just going to go ahead and copy the group name right here and add in sample. All right. And group email address. I'm just going to go ahead and add in my own email address. Okay. And the administrator right here. If you want to add in some more, just click on a blank space right here in this box. Now select from one of the options. Okay. If not, you can just click on X to remove it. Now you can go ahead and start typing to search an employee right here to add in a member for this specific group or members. Click on the box and maybe enter this one. Add in another one if you want to. And if you want to as well, you can go ahead and notify newly added employees. If not, just untick this box. And once done, just hit on save. Wait for the process to finish. And once that's done, your new group has now been added. All right. And there you have it. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.